If you work in Photoshop and you use custom brushes, swatches, gradients, or other preset files, knowing how to import and export presets can save you a huge amount of time. Instead of rebuilding everything from scratch, you can quickly bring in a preset file you downloaded, or share your own custom assets with someone else. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to import and export Photoshop presets step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials. Let's start with importing a specific preset file. This is the method you'll use when you've downloaded something like a brush pack in .abr format, or when you want to add a set of swatches, gradients, or patterns into Photoshop. One of the easiest methods is drag and drop. First, locate the preset file on your computer. Then simply drag that file directly into the Photoshop window. Photoshop will recognize the file and load it into the correct panel automatically. This is one of the fastest ways to get started, especially if you already have the file saved on your desktop or in a Downloads folder. Another way to import presets is through the specific panel for that asset type. For example, if you want to import brushes, go up to Window and open the Brushes panel. Once the panel is open, look in the top right corner for the three-line menu, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click it, then choose the import option for that preset type, such as Import Brushes. If you're working with swatches, gradients, or another preset category, Photoshop will usually give you a similar import option in that panel. After that, browse to the file on your computer, select it, and confirm the import. Photoshop will then add that preset into the current workspace, so you can use it right away. A third method is using the Preset Manager. To access it, go to Edit, then Presets, and then Preset Manager. This is a more centralized way to handle multiple preset types. In the Preset Manager, choose the preset type you want from the drop-down menu, such as brushes, swatches, or gradients. Then click Load and select the preset file from your computer. This is especially useful if you want a more organized way to manage several preset categories in one place. Now let's move on to exporting a specific preset file. This is helpful when you've created your own custom setup and want to back it up, transfer it to another computer, or share it with a teammate or client. Start by opening the panel for the preset type you want to export. For example, if you want to export swatches, open the Swatches panel. If you want to export brushes, open the Brushes panel. Then hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac and click the specific items you want to save. This lets you select only the presets you actually want to export instead of exporting everything in the panel. Once you've selected the items, click the top right hamburger menu in that panel. From there, choose the export option for that preset type, such as Export Selected Brushes or Export Selected Swatches. Photoshop will then ask you to name the file and choose where you want to save it. Give it a clear name so you can find it easily later, then click Save. Your selected presets will be exported as a file you can store, back up, or send to someone else. A few quick tips can make this process even smoother. Always double-check the file type before importing, so you know you're loading the correct preset into Photoshop. If you're sharing presets with someone else, make sure they're using a compatible Photoshop version if needed. And if you create custom presets often, it's a good idea to keep a backup folder organized by brush packs, swatches, gradients, and other asset types so you never lose your work. So to recap, if you want to import Photoshop presets, you can drag and drop the file directly, use the specific panel's import option, or go through the Preset Manager. And if you want to export presets, select the items you want in the panel, use the export option, and save the file to your computer. Once you know these steps, managing presets in Photoshop becomes much faster and much easier. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.